Microsoft has been pouring tons of resources into Edge, and it's built on the same foundation as Chrome, so the competition is fiercer than ever. Which one should you be using in 2024? Let's break it down and find out. First up, let's talk about performance and speed. This is a huge one. Historically, Chrome was known for being a memory hog, eating up your computer's RAM like there's no tomorrow. While Google has made significant improvements, it can still be demanding, especially if you have a ton of tabs open. Microsoft Edge, on the other hand, has been heavily optimized for Windows. It often uses slightly less RAM and has a cool feature called sleeping tabs, which automatically freezes background tabs. You're not using to save resources? Next, let's move on to features. This is where things get really interesting. Both browsers share the same core engine, Chromium, which means they both support the massive library of extensions from the Chrome Web Store. So, your favorite ad blocker or grammar checker will work on both. However, Edge comes packed with some unique built-in features that are genuinely useful. My favorite is Collections. It lets you easily save and organize web pages, images, and notes into neat little groups. It's amazing for planning trips or gathering research. Edge also has a built-in price comparison tool and coupon finder for online shopping, a powerful PDF reader with annotation tools, and even an AI-powered Copilot integrated right into the sidebar to help you write, summarize, and create. Chrome is a bit more minimalist out of the box, relying more on extensions to add functionality. Now, let's touch on the ecosystem and integration. This is where your personal setup matters most. If you live and breathe in the Google universe, use Google Drive, Google Calendar, and an Android phone. Chrome is a no-brainer. The synchronization across your devices is seamless. Your history, bookmarks, and passwords are all instantly available everywhere. On the other hand, if you're a heavy Windows user and use Microsoft 365, Edge offers tighter integration. For example, you can open and edit Office documents directly in the browser. The sync between Edge on your desktop and the mobile app is also excellent. It really comes down to whether you're more invested in Google's ecosystem or Microsoft's. So, what's the final verdict? Honestly, there's no single best browser for everyone. If you want a lightweight, feature-rich browser that's perfectly optimized for Windows and has some cool, unique tools like Collections and Copilot, you should absolutely give Microsoft Edge a serious try. You might be surprised at how good it has become. If you're deeply integrated into Google's ecosystem and prioritize seamless syncing across all your devices, or you just prefer a more minimalist experience that you can customize with extensions, Google Chrome is still a fantastic and reliable choice. My advice? Spend a week using each one as your main browser. See which one feels better for your specific workflow. You really can't go wrong with either, but you might just find a new favorite. That's it for today's comparison. Which browser do you use and why? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.